Home Education Center, Himmatnagar, since 2009, Standard 1 to 12, English medium and Gujarati medium.
Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel Home Education Center. I am Janaksinh from Home Education Center. Today we are going to study the fourth chapter of Mathematics Standard 10 quadratic equations. Now dear students, I hope you are learning so many things from all our videos. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me personally by calling, by WhatsApp, or by commenting on my YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's move to the chapter quadratic equation. Dear students, what are quadratic equations? Quadratic equation क्या होती है? इतना याद रखना है कि quadratic equation मतलब ऐसा फॉर्म होना चाहिए. Let's see the definition of quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. तो quadratic equation क्या होती है? तो it is an equation of the variable x where it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c होना चाहिए. मतलब आप कोई भी equation लिखते हो तो its form should be like 5x square plus 7x plus 3. This should be a constant term. Your variable should be x. Now, what is this? This is coefficient. What do we call it? It is coefficient of variable x square or x of any degree. That is, we are going to discuss in the next part. Now, in fact, any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2. polynomial होना चाहिए जिसकी डिग्री 2 होती है. नाउ डिग्री 2 क्या होता है? जैसे कोई ये 3x स्क्वायर, तो ये डिग्री क्या हो गई आपकी 2. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिग्री. मींस एनी polynomial of form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. But when we write the terms of p of x, ये सब terms बोलेंगे इसको, one term, second term, third term. You might be remembering monomial, binomial, trinomial having one term, two terms or three terms. So कोई भी quadratic equation होती है जिसमें p of x in descending order of their degrees. यहाँ पे देखो डिग्री क्या है 2, यहाँ पे 1 और यहाँ पे समझो कि 0 है. Nothing means 0. Any number to the power 0 is always 1. And when 1 is multiplied with any constant term, you will get the same constant term. तो डिग्री यहाँ पे क्या होती है 0. तो कहने का मीनिंग है it should be in the descending order of their degrees. Then we get the standard form of the equation. तब जाके हमें इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मिलता है. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 is called the standard form of quadratic equation. So dear students, this is what I wanted to explain by this video. What are quadratic equations? Now, without wasting time, we should move to exercise 4.1. Now, what is given in the first question? Check whether the following are quadratic equations. आपको चेक करना है yes or no whether the given terms, given equations are quadratic equations है कि नहीं है, yes or no. अब कैसे पता चलेगा? तो when you solve this LHS, RHS, any equations, then at last it should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ऐसी फॉर्म आनी चाहिए. Then only we can say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. आ गया समझ में? तो let's move to question 1 and first x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Now what is this? LHS and this is RHS. अब हम LHS और RHS का कंपैरिजन देखेंगे. फर्स्ट LHS. Now what is given in LHS? X plus 1 whole square. Now you should know all the algebraic identities. What is this? A plus B whole square, or you can say x plus y whole square. Now if we take a plus b whole square, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here this is a and this is b, so you should know, you are in class 10. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as x means x square plus 2ab means x into 1 plus b square means 1 square. Now when you solve this, x square will be written as it is 2 into 1 into x means 2x and 1 square is 1. So it becomes x square plus 2x plus 1. This is your LHS. Keep it in mind. Now let's move to RHS. What is there? 2 in bracket x minus 3. Now 2 into x. 2 into x is 2x. Again 2 into minus 3. 2 3 is 6. Remember there is no sign here, means what sign is there? Plus. Plus minus is minus. So it becomes 2x minus 6. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 2x minus 6. Now as for the given question, LHS equal to RHS means these two things are equal. So whatever solution you get should be written with the identity equal to. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. ये दोनों क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? आपका इक्वल हो जाएगा. Now let's move to the next step. If we move to x, like I have written x square plus 2x, this when we change the sign, it becomes plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Then 1 I have written as it is, minus 6 when we change the sign, it becomes plus 6 is equal to, क्या बचा है यहाँ पे? Nothing. Means we have to write 0. Now let's solve. X square I have written plus 2x minus 2x, nothing. 1 plus 6. What is 1 plus 6? 7 is equal to 0. Now we have to see x square plus 7 is equal to 0 is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes dear students, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How? Like if we write this is your ax square. What is your a? 1. What is your a? 1. So I have written a is equal to 1. Now what is the variable bx? Nothing. Means we can write 0x. 0x means your b is 0. 0 into x means 0 means nothing. So we can write b is equal to 0. And what is your c? Means constant term. It is 7. So what is your c? 7. Sorry. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. This way we can write down. Now first question I have already written. Only intention is to save the time. But for your better understanding, I will solve question 2 along with you in the live video. So let's start solution 2 now. Directly, if you want to solve, no need to write LHS and RHS. You can solve both the steps same way. Like we cannot solve this, so it will be written as it is. Now minus 2 into 3, it becomes minus 6. 2 into x, 2x, and this minus minus means plus. So dear students, you have x square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. Now let's move to the next step. X square will be written as it is, plus 2x will change its side, so it becomes minus 2x. This is also minus 2x, and minus 6 will change its side, so it becomes plus 6. तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका 0. Now dear students, x square. Now what is minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 to 4, so it becomes minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now is it of the form ax square plus bx plus c? Let's see. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? Let's check. This is your rough one. Don't write in your solution. Directly from here we will move. Yes, it is of the form. We can write here therefore it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to, b is equal to and c is equal to. क्या है? What is your a? So what is your a? Nothing means 1. So we will write 1. What is your b? Minus 4. And what is your c? 6. So your c is 6. So this way you can write the values of a, b and c. So dear students, we can write the answer. Yes, the given equation is a quadratic equation. What you need to remember, let me revise it. Whenever you solve LHS or RHS together like this, or if you solve first LHS then RHS, then you have to write two things together like this or either this way. Then you have to solve it and then you need to convert it into the form of ax square plus bx plus c. If it is possible, then we can write yes, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, let's move to the next question. We have studied in the first, means in the beginning, that the degree should be in the descending order and maximum degree should be 2. 2 से ज्यादा अगर x की पावर आती है, means it is not a quadratic equation. Remember, quadratic equation means उसकी डिग्री 2 से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. x स्क्वायर होना चाहिए या x होना चाहिए, only constant हो तो भी चलेगा, but not more than 2. Let's move to question 2. Represent the following situation. ये जो situations दी हुई है in the form of quadratic equation, आपको उसको ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 means quadratic equation की form में you need to convert, you need to represent. Now ये word problems बड़े-बड़े हैं, आपको देखते ही डर लगता है. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब बहुत बोरिंग होता है, बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आर नॉट रियली द प्रॉब्लम्स. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू क्रिएट इंटरेस्ट इन मैथमेटिक्स. नाउ लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट इज 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. कौन सा प्लॉट है? रेक्टेंगुलर, लेंथ ब्रेथ. एरिया मींस व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? L into B. Now see the length of the plot. It is given in meters. Length कितनी दी हुई है, breadth कितनी दी हुई है? तो length of the plot is 1 more than, means plus 1. Then twice its breadth. Breadth जो है उससे length twice plus 1 होगी. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So let's move to the solution. Now to find the area we need length and breadth. So let क्या लोगे आप? लेंथ लोगे या ब्रेथ लोगे? तो याद रखना है, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया हुआ है, देन के बाद जो होता है जनरली हम उसको 99% केसेस में, रिमेंबर नॉट 100%, देन के बाद जो होता है जनरली वी टेक एस एक्स. तो लेट ब्रेथ बी एक्स, ब्रेथ बी एक्स एंड लेंथ बी कितना होगा? ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ और उससे 1 मोर. ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ मींस x अगर ब्रेथ है तो ट्वाइस ऑफ ब्रेथ मींस ट्वाइस ऑफ x मींस 2x एंड 1 मोर मींस प्लस 1. तो यहां पे आपकी लेंथ हो जाएगी 2x plus 1. नाउ वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट कितना दिया हुआ है आपको? इट इज गिवन एज 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. इन शॉर्ट 528. नाउ व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट? L into B is equal to 528. means if we write what is your length, length क्या लिया था हमने? 2x plus 1. what is your breadth? into breadth means we have taken x is equal to 528. Now let's solve it. 2x into x means 2x square. 1 into x means x and is equal to 528. Now we need to represent the situation, the answer in the form of quadratic equation. So we can write 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. ये आपका हो गया ax square plus bx plus c. ठीक है, तो it is means this is a quadratic equation used to find the length कितनी है आपकी, आपको सॉल्व नहीं करना है इसको पूरा. यूज्ड टू फाइंड द लेंथ कितनी ली थी हमने 2x plus 1, ये लिखेंगे हम मीटर. यू कैन राइट बिगर ब्रैकेट 2x plus 1 मीटर एंड breadth. What was your breadth taken? It is x meter. So this way you can solve this sum. Now let's move to the second question. Solution. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Now what are consecutive? Consecutive मतलब लगातार आने वाले नंबर. For example, if we talk 7, 8, 9, 10 लगातार नंबर है. If we say consecutive even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. If we say consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Means अगर consecutive integers, positive integers, consecutive numbers means only consecutive word is used. All the numbers in the increasing or decreasing order are differ by 1. उनमें difference कितने का होता है 1. Means if you take one consecutive integer, it is x. Then the next consecutive integer is always x plus 1. Next is x plus 2, x plus 3. अगर आपको odd या even होता है, remember dear students, difference of any two consecutive odd integers or consecutive even integers is always 2. मतलब अगर आपको यहाँ पे odd या even ऐसा word डाला हुआ है तो you have to take x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 like that, whether odd or even. So here two consecutive integers. So first we need to let the two consecutive positive integers भी क्या लेंगे हम x and x plus 1. ये दो चीज हम दो नंबर्स दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स we will take. So therefore now क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. Means x into x plus 1. जब ऐसा हो तो you need to keep the bracket is equal to what is the product? Product is 306. So let's solve it. क्या होगा? X into x, x square, x into 1, 1x means x is equal to 306. अब हमें क्या करना है? ax square plus bx plus c means we need to represent in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 means quadratic equation. So x square plus x, we will change the side so it becomes minus 306 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation used to find, क्या ढूंढना है हमें? To find the two consecutive positive integers. Find the two consecutive positive integers. कौन कौन से हैं? Integers, comma that is I means that is कौन कौन से लिए थे हमने? x and x plus 1. x and x plus 1. Now, dear students, two questions are left, question 3 and question 4. That is again in your homework. I hope you have understood exercise 4.1 very properly. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to call, to message, or to put the comment in the comment box. See the video again and again and become a master of mathematics. Thank you. Janaksinh, Home Education Center.